Now you will get something like that from the e-register. You will have only two fields now. I will keep only two fields or two columns, and I will add the last name here. Now I will split this column. Now, how to split it? You have to add a comma here. I will add a comma. After the first name, a comma. I will add a comma here and a comma here, a comma. Okay, after the first name you add a comma. You will add a comma here, comma, comma, comma. Okay, after adding comma after the first name, okay, you can select all these cells and go to data and text to columns. It will be delimited. Yes, next. It is not a tab, not tabulation. It will be a comma. Okay, and next. And you click on finish only. Okay. Genial. Okay. That's good now. Okay. Have you seen how I did it? Then from Excel here, data, you have text to column, and you will get the first name and the last name separated. Okay, any question for this? I can save it now. Okay, any question? Yes, it is better to change as I have done. Yes, yes. Arabic text, yes, the اسم الطالب to name, first name and last name, okay? Like this, okay? I need only one row header here. You have to delete all the header before, okay? You will keep only student ID and first name, and you add this as a last name. And the status, al-hale, you have to delete this column, okay? We don't need this column. Hello, Iman. The names are already merged. If you have the full name, for Zipgrade, we need the first name and the last name separated. They are two required for fields. Okay, so since from Qasim University, what you get in Excel file, you will get the full name in one cell. Then you have to separate the first name from the last name. Of your student. And then you can import it into Zipgrade. As I have done here. Okay. You have the first name and the last name. Okay. What you get from Qasim University e-register in the Excel file that you downloaded onto your computer, you have the full name. I have separated now, as you have seen, the first name and put the last name in another column. We can do it from data here, and you click on text to columns. Text to column in Excel is split a single column of text into multiple columns. I have used only the comma. Okay, I have inserted comma after the first name, and then I use text to column. Now, what I can do now is to save this file as a CSV file from Excel. Always, you click on save. You have save as. Save as. I will change now to the type of the file. I have to change it, not an Excel workbook. It will be CSV UTF-8, comma delimited. It should be comma delimited. This CSV. There is another type of CSV, but this type of CSV we need is comma delimited. Is comma delimited. Okay, since I have before saved it in this format. Okay, save, yes, replace. Okay, I have saved it. I have now the CSV file ready to import into Zipgrade. This is the CSV file that I need. Okay, here I have 15 students only in this group. Now I will come back to, I will add a class here. First of all, I have to add a new class. Add a class. You have to provide the class name. For example, CS10. It depends on the name of the group. I think 2398. G group 2398. That's correct. Okay, I will keep it. This is the name of my class. You can keep the same from the e-register and save the class only. Then I have added a class here. Now I have to add a student to this class. I have to add student to this class. Student. Add student. You have here add a new student manually. You have to write the name and the last name manually, and you have to click which class he is. Okay, this is how to add manually. And if I want to import a student from CSV file, now I can click on this, and this is the instruction for the file requirement. I have put the instructions already correct. Then I have first name, last name, and the Zipgrade ID. Okay, and has a header. Yes, I have a header row in my file. Now I will click on upload. No file it shows, and okay. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay. Then I have to choose the file before. Choose the file. You have to choose the CSV format. It is here. This is the comma delimited format, open, and it has a header row and upload. Okay, this is the data read. This is the data that I got from the file, data read from the file. Now you have to map these columns to Zipgrade. I have first name. This is the first name, and the last name. This is the last name, and the Zipgrade ID will be the same as the e-register university. You will get the same ID from the university. I don't need an external reference. And class options, yes, do not load student into class. Please place student into an existing class, yes. And this is the class. And next. Okay, a total of 15 students were added to the class. Okay, then they are added now. Okay, as you can see, we have here the student ID. Zipgrade ID for the student is the same as Qasim University ID. We didn't change, nothing. And you have here the first name. This is the last name. And this is the class name. And every student will be assigned an access code to the portal. You have to give the student his access code. This is the access code for every student. He will be assigned to the portal. This is the access code to the portal. Any question here?